Do you often wonder how to actually conceptualize and distinguish between path difference and phase difference of waves? Here comes a comprehensible clarification for curious viewers. As we all know, wave is an undulatory phenomenon, a disturbance so to speak, that propagates through space and time, and is regularly repeated. All crests and troughs of wave 1 and wave 2 are aligned. Wave 1 and wave 2 are in perfect phase match. As you already learned in one of my earlier video lessons on light diffraction and constructive interference, these two waves will generate constructive interference. The path difference between two waves is the difference in distance that the waves have traveled. Whereas, the phase difference between two waves is rather described as one leads or lags with respect to the other in terms of wavelength and radians. Here we have elaborated the conceptual difference by illustration, as well as formulated the mathematical representation.
Please remember to like, subscribe, share.